Okay, so when dehydration of monohydric alcohols take place, when the dehydration of monohydric alcohols take place with the OH group, a beta hydrogen atom gets removed. With the OH group, what hydrogen atom gets removed? The beta hydrogen atom gets removed. Now remember, when you consider an organic compound, alpha carbon means carbon atom having a functional group or functional atom. We call it as what carbon? We call it as the alpha carbon. Sorry, alpha carbon means carbon atom having a functional group or functional atom. We call it as a alpha carbon. The carbons which are directly in alcohols, now alpha carbon will be the carbon atom having what group? The OH group. In alcohols, now the alpha carbon will be the carbon atom having the OH group. The carbons which are directly bonded to alpha carbon, those are the ones which are called as what carbons? Beta carbons. The hydrogens which are directly bonded to beta carbon, those are the ones which are called as beta hydrogens. So when alcohols get dehydrated using alumina 350O, conc H2SO4 170, a water molecule gets removed. To remove out the water molecule with the OH group, a beta hydrogen gets removed. After the removal of the water molecule, between the alpha carbon and the beta carbon, what will be formed? A double bond will be formed. Between the alpha carbon and the beta carbon, a double bond will be formed, and here a water molecule gets removed. Here what molecule gets removed? A water molecule. A water molecule gets removed. Now as an example we can say, if you take CH3, CH2, OH, right? If you take CH3, CH2OH, I'm using alumina, okay? I'm using Al2O3 350. If you use it, then it will result in the formation of CH2 double bond, CH2 will be formed. This one will be formed. Here, now you can see here, now CH3, CH2OH, we know that carbon valency 4, hydrogen valency 1. So H, C, H, H, then C, H, H, OH. Now the dehydration will take place. Now when the dehydration takes place, what will happen? With the OH group, a beta hydrogen gets removed. So this will be the alpha carbon. This will be the beta carbon. Now with the OH group, a beta hydrogen atom gets removed. And we can say from this side, the hydrogen will get removed. And after the removal of the water molecule, between the alpha carbon and the beta carbon, a double bond will be created. So it will form H, C, H, double bond C, H, H will be formed. So this compound will be formed. So this is called as ethanol. Remember, this is called as ethanol. Now under the nomenclature of alcohols, I'll tell you how to name this killer. And you know, I have told you how to name alkenes. So this will be called as what? I have told you how to name alkenes. So this will be called as ethene. We know that this will be called as what killer? This is called as ethene. And ethanol will produce ethene. I'll take another example. Okay, I'll take another example.